Hello guys, I was making a tier list like a few seconds ago and I kind of fucked up. But yeah, I'm just gonna put some shit. I know I'm using my phone, but I don't really have anything else. Ascension, yeah, I mean, it's average. I mean, in my opinion, yeah. You know, it's actually kind of it's good, I guess. Yeah, this map's actually not bad. Wherever the fuck it went. It's average. I mean, it's better than all the other maps in that game. Origins. It's actually good. I mean, I guess I gotta put an A. It's easier on PC. Zombies in Spaceland, I gotta put that in A. You know what? Yes. Beasts from Beyond. Painful. Very painful. Shadow Throne. I never played that one. I actually never played that one. You probably don't believe it. Yeah. Yes, I didn't play a lot of them, but, you know. Bus Depot, it's bad. I mean, it's better than Beasts of Beyond. Die Rise. It's lackluster. I mean, it's okay. I have played Mauer Toten, but not enough to know how to rank it, so I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay, I'm just gonna... Yeah, that's good ranking. Oh, Nocturne Toten, I love... I used to play this map when I was a kid. Okay. Let's put that average. I mean, it's above the Final Reich. I actually like Moon. It's not good nor bad. It's above the Final Reich though. Voyage of Despair. Let's put the obvious reason. It's alright. It's alright. Gross in the House. I mean, I get why it's hated. Dead of the Night. I never played this map. Never played that map. Darius and Jack. I have played that one though. And it's actually average. Wait, no, it's a little bit better than that. It's good. It's good. Above Ascension, yeah. Darius, it's great. It's great. 9, not lackluster. Damn it, I said that wrong. It's great, yeah. Challenge Shuffle, it's ass. It's bad. Farm, actually, it's better than you think, actually. I mean, it's better than, actually, it's lackluster. Mayday, never played it. Wait, have I? I haven't. No. Zetsubou no Shima, nope. The Frozen Dot, no, I never played that either. Outbreak, I haven't played Advanced Warfare, so I can't really rank that. Town, oh god, you can't say it's bad. Town is bad. It's great. The Tortured Path, sorry, never played it. Carrier, never played it. 5's a hard map, but it's above all the other ones. Yeah, actually put that in average. Below the Final Reich and above all the other rankings. The attack of the radioactive thing, that thing's painful. Shadow's Evil. Great. It's great. It's great. I can't say anything else about it. It's great. It's average. Power Base Z, that map's okay. I mean, it's gonna be above Farm. Alpha Omega, you probably won't believe this, but I never played it. And Nightfall, never played it. Model of the Dead. You cannot never play Model of the Dead. This is getting obvious S tier. Where the fuck did that go? Oh, okay, there we go. Model of the Dead is getting S tier. No questions asked. And Zombies in Space Landing stays on there. Blood of the Dead, it's lackluster. Shino no. Oh god, I love Shino no. It's good. It's good. Transit, ass, dumb. The Giant. It's just a remake, so I guess I'll just keep it at average. Buried, I love Buried. It's good. It's good. Tag der Toten, never played it. There's gonna be a lot of never played it. Call of Dead, you won't believe this, but I never played it. Not yet, though. Ancient Evil. Okay, I'm just gonna put all the obvious ones. Raven the Woods. It's E. It's E. Classified. Never played it. I have played Grod Crovey, though. Average. It's good. It's good. It's okay. Shangri-La. Bad. No, it's not bad. It's average. Below average. Fruct. Fruct is good in its own way, but it's lackluster. Forsaken's bad. It's terrible. Derived. No, never played it. Oh, I mean, I don't love it, but it's average, in my opinion. And never played this map. Oh, perfect. Well, in my own way, actually. Yeah, this is pretty okay. Yeah. Except for all the maps I haven't played yet. That's so funny that I just didn't play most of these maps. It's just funny. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.